Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of crypto mining. Whether you're a complete beginner who's heard all the buzz or you're looking to optimize your existing setup for maximum hash rate, this video is your one-stop shop for all things crypto mining. We're going to break down everything from choosing the right cryptocurrency to setting up your mining rig and maximizing those sweet crypto rewards. So grab your pickaxes, put on your hard hats, and let's get mining. First things first, you got to decide what you want to mine. There's a whole mess of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique quirks and mining algorithms. Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, might seem like the obvious choice, but it's also the most competitive. You're going to need some seriously beefy hardware to stand a chance of solo mining Bitcoin these days. Ethereum is another popular option, and for good reason. Its proof-of-work algorithm is a bit more GPU friendly, making it accessible to a wider range of miners. But hey, don't feel limited to just the big players. Litecoin with its faster transaction times and script algorithm, or Monero with its focus on privacy and CPU mineability could be right up your alley. Each coin has its own set of pros and cons, so it pays to do your research. Check out sites like CoinMarketCap and read up on the different algorithms, hashing power requirements, and of course, the potential profitability before you commit. Remember, the best crypto to mine is the one that aligns with your goals and resources. Alright, now that you've picked your poison, it's time to talk hardware. Crypto mining is basically solving complex mathematical problems, and your weapon of choice in this battle is your mining hardware. Back in the day, you could get away with mining Bitcoin on your trusty CPU, but those days are long gone. These days, if you're serious about mining, you're going to need some specialized hardware. GPUs, or graphics cards, are the workhorses of the mining world. They're designed for parallel processing, which makes them ideal for crunching through those cryptographic algorithms. Then there are ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits. These bad boys are purpose-built for mining a specific algorithm and nothing else. They offer insane hash rates, but can be expensive and less versatile. Your choice of hardware depends on your budget, the crypto you're mining, and your tolerance for noise and heat. Putting together a mining rig is like building your own custom PC, except with more fans. You'll need a motherboard, CPU, RAM, the usual suspects. But the stars of the show are your GPUs, or ASICs. You'll need to carefully install them on your motherboard using risers to give them some breathing room. Speaking of breathing room, cooling is paramount in the mining world. These rigs generate a ton of heat, so you'll need a robust cooling solution to keep everything running smoothly. Think multiple case fans, liquid cooling setups, or even going full industrial with an open-air frame rig. And don't forget about the power supply. You're going to need a beefy PSU that can handle the power demands of your hungry mining hardware. With your hardware all set up, it's time to breathe some life into it with mining software. This is the software that connects your rig to the blockchain and tells it what to mine. There are a ton of options out there, but some popular choices include CG Miner, known for its flexibility and advanced settings, Easy Miner, a great option for beginners with its user-friendly interface, and NiceHash, which lets you rent out your hashing power to the highest bidder. The best software for you will depend on your specific needs and the mining pool you choose to join. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Now, you could go it alone and try to mine solo, but unless you've got a warehouse full of ASICs, your chances of actually solving a block and reaping the rewards are slim to none. That's where mining pools come in. Think of a mining pool like a group project for crypto miners. You pool your hashing power with other miners from around the world, increasing your chances of finding a block and getting a share of the rewards. There are tons of mining pools to choose from, each with its own fee structure, payout schemes, and community. Some popular options include Slush Pool, one of the oldest and most trusted pools, Ant Pool, known for its large user base and global reach, and F2 Pool, another major player in the mining pool scene. Do your research, read reviews, and choose a pool that aligns with your goals and values. All right, it's time to configure your mining software and get this show on the road. This is where you'll enter your mining pool settings, including the pool address and port number. You'll also need to provide your wallet address, which is where your hard-earned crypto will be sent. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Once you have entered all the necessary information, double-check everything, cross your fingers, and hit that start button. Congratulations, you're now officially a crypto miner. Now that your rig is up and running, you can't just set it and forget it. Well, you could, but you'd be leaving potential profits on the table. Monitoring your rig's performance is crucial for ensuring everything is running smoothly and maximizing your efficiency. Keep an eye on things like hash rate, temperature, fan speeds, and power consumption. You can often tweak your mining software settings to optimize performance, adjusting things like fan curves, clock speeds, and voltage to find the sweet spot between hash rate and stability. Just remember, overclocking comes with risks, so proceed with caution and make small adjustments at a time. Before you quit your day job and invest your life savings in mining rigs, let's talk about the economics of crypto mining. Profitability is a constantly moving target. It depends on a complex interplay of factors like the price of the cryptocurrency you're mining, the hash rate of your rig, the cost of electricity in your area, and the overall mining difficulty of the network. It's crucial to do your research and calculate your potential earnings versus your expenses. There are handy online calculators that can help you estimate your profitability based on current market conditions. So there you have it, a crash course in crypto mining. We've covered everything from choosing the right cryptocurrency and hardware to setting up your rig, joining a mining pool, and keeping an eye on the all-important profitability. Crypto mining can be a fun and potentially rewarding endeavor, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, research, and a bit of technical know-how to be successful. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to experiment. And most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.